Welcome back to my channel, Grand Sabon Handcrafted Soap. Today, ang video na aking gagawin ay very special dahil ito ay share ko sa inyo guys ang paggawa ng inyong first batch for those who are interested, for those who are desiring, or for those who are thinking to make their handmade soap. This is the video na inihanda ko para sa inyo. Look at this. This is lovely pink. So, dahil usually mga girls ay mahilig sa pink, so naisip ko, why not use this magenta mica? Ito guys, yung magenta mica. How beautiful, how bright pink this magenta mica. So, ito yung ginamit ko guys dito sa sabon na aking ginawa for our first batch. I have already measured our oils. And the recipe, you can find it in the description down below. We have already mixed our lye solution. Our lye and our oil must be at room temperature, and we will use our thermometer to find out if our oils and our lye solution is at room temperature. So our oil and our lye solution is cold. This is ready to pour in our lye solution. Yes, we can detach our stick blender for safety reason, and then we will add now our lye solution by running through this stick blender to avoid bubbles. And we can mix this in. Now we will attach our stick blender. And then we will blend our mixture. So we will blend this for probably 20 seconds until we will reach the trace, until no more oil and water separation. In this case, we still need to blend. It's not ready yet. At this point, our mixture is already emulsified. So as you can see, wala na tayong makikitang separation of oil and water. Okay. Then we will add our colorants. or mica. We will use only 2 color for this batch. So pwedeng optional, pwedeng no color, or just so you can make your first batch just plain white. But for this reason, gusto kong mag-add tayo ng pink color. Para lalong maganda ang ating sabon. So we will mix this. Or we can, or we'll just mix it with our stick blender. So our mixture is already thickened or medium trace. And then we will add our fragrance oil. Our fragrance oil is from Brambleberry. And this will be 1.6 ounces. And this is 1.6 ounce. So kung gusto nyong malaman guys yung recipe, ilalagay ko sa description down below. Yung paglalagay ko ng color ay optional. So you can use just plain white. I think I will add a little more fragrance oil. We can make it 2 ounce. From 1.6 to 2 ounce is still safe. At this stage, our mixture is already at thick trace. So we can pour this in now sa ating mold. So this is our mold. I think I decide to make another 1 color. Lagyan natin ng white para mayroong konting, para maging colorful ang ating soap. And I will add some, and I will add some titanium dioxide. We'll mix this. And we can, for this one, we can texture the top before we will put the second color if we want. This is optional. So you can be creative guys sa inyong paggawa ng sabon. Let's add more some titanium. This is optional. You can make just plain pink or plain white. You have to wipe this. Yan, nagkaroon tayo ng konting. Okay, so our butter is really is heavy. Our butter is on a heavy trays. Very thick na siya, and this is perfect in making design. I want this a little more whiter. Okay, I think this is ready. Okay, we can put this here, and this is beautiful. You can be creative, guys, in making your soap, especially sa pag-add ng color or in coloring your butter. And then we can do like that. So we can wait for a while hanggang medyo mag-thicken ang ating butter para magkaroon tayo ng magandang texturing on top. So we'll wait for a while, probably 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, now we can add the next layer, still the same. So pwede nyong ganito ang pouring. And then, so as I have said, pwede kayo mag-create ng inyong design by using our chopstick. Pwede nating iganito. You know? So we can do some chopstick swirling. And then I would like to wait for a few minutes bago natin ilagay yung pinaka-top. Gusto kong gawing more white itong remaining butter. So more titanium dioxide. This is optional. You can just do 1 color, 2 color. Pero I like to have more color. So at least I'm giving you ideas, guys. In designing your soap. I like this very white. So we can still do some texturing sa top. I like making texturing like this. So you can wait for a few minutes para mag-thicken ng konti ang inyong butter para makagawa kayo ng texturing. And then we will add now our next color. We will cover everything. It's like an ice cream. It's like sherbet. Actually, dapat ito ay 1 color lang. But then, I said, well, it's nice to have some color. So we can flatten this. And then we'll do some texturing again on top. So taktak natin guys para walang air bubbles. So we'll wait for a few minutes and then we will make some texturing on top. By using our spoon, the back of the spoon or the front of the spoon, we can do like this. Or same size. You can just push sa middle. O, diba? Or you can also use chopstick. You can do like that. Pwede mong ulit-ulitin hanggang sa magawa mo yung gusto mo hanggang sa gusto mo na yung top design. You can do like that. Mapapansin nyo guys, iba-iba ang curve or ang design. That's why ang handmade soap, it is unique dahil its cut is different. Although isang mold lang sila. This is best for gifting to your friends. Pwedeng gawing regalo. Pwedeng gawing giveaway sa wedding. Look at this. See that? Ayan. Very interesting. It's fun to make handmade soap. And if you are new to my channel, please huwag kalimutang mag-like. I-like nyo na rin itong video na to and i-subscribe. Thank you for all your support and now let's go on our soap making.